This was before the repair. We have IET degrees Fahrenheit -40, and it's like that on every frame because the sensor is not working. The sensor is not working, so it's outputting -40. Okay. After I plugged the plug in, I hooked the meter to the car. Or actually, I started it up first. The code was still there. It was still shifting hard. It was still running bad. So after that, I killed the car, cleared the codes, cranked it back up with no check engine light. Everything was running good. It was running good and smooth. And this is what we had after that. As you can see, we have a value there, 66 instead of -40. And it changes as it's supposed to. See, TPS is working, everything seems to be working. It's at 34 miles an hour. Everything looks good. So, as of now, the car is shifting good. It is repaired. Fixing the plug worked. That's exactly what it was. Well, it's been fun.